it's one of our favorite things to do. Girls like to talk. So this morning on Girl Talk, ladies, if you've not dated in a while and you're looking to get back in the dating world, I was going to say pray and fasting, but not feeling so confident. Janella and I have a few dating tips
Based on
to
what?
share with you, I guess for ourselves as well, from medium.com. And we feel at the end of the process, you'll feel more confident so that you can go out and make that good first impression. You look at me like you don't believe it.
I think what this should have been was to say what to expect. Because times have changed, Delia?
Times have changed.
Times have changed.
So it says, do you get worked up when going on a date? You struggle with what to say, worry about how you're coming across. That puts you squarely in category normal. Dating can be highly confronting, especially when you've been out of the game for a while or you've been hurt in a relationship. So here are some quick ways to tweak your mindset and show up your confidence before stepping into the fray. First one, girl.
Me?
Yeah.
It says here to ditch your expectations. So the writer says that he or she had a client who fell in love over text messages, not once, but every time. She would quickly decide she liked the person's tone or brains or wit, then create a happy ever after fantasy about the relationship. I'm going to stop there. A lot of people are like that, yeah? So we're now in that texting culture. I believe if I want to get to know you, we got to go out.
Gotta have a real conversation.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen people, like, somebody send them face here, you know?
Did it text?
And then them send a smile emoji. Them say, how are you feeling today? Great. And them send some poopa lick and some smile emoji. That time them say, man.
Yeah,
So
like,
people can text whatever they want to text. I'm laughing.
Yeah. Nothing like the real thing. Nothing like having an actual conversation with a person, yeah? But like I said, times have changed. A lot of people, they start with the text and the DMs or whatever you want to call it, and then they do it up. So we do things in reverse.
Backwards.
Yeah.
So it says, ditching your expectations doesn't mean you'll settle for anyone, but in the early stages, it helps to just let go and have fun. I think also if you have a particular expectation, it kind of blurs your vision to what you're actually seeing or what you could see. So ditch it. Number 2, wear something you like. It'll just, if you're dressing to impress, it'll just make you more self-conscious. You don't even know their taste, so don't bother trying to crystal ball it. The only thing you need to know is what the date involves. So you don't turn up for cocktails in your gym wear. But dress and be comfortable, because if you're uncomfortable, that'll go throw off the date, like every minute.
Yeah, you have to pull and but isn't that how we are generally? We wear 9-inch heels, but we can't stand in the heels very often. I would say, tell me where we're going on that date, and then I will dress appropriately.
So I date in the opposite way. I'm gonna give you, I wouldn't say the worst of me, but I'm gonna give you plain me.
Okay.
If you're okay with me, that's all. This is data, then we can move on from there.
What that mean? You don't dress up and all that?
I'll dress up, but I'm not going to try to pretend to be. I feel like if you've seen, not the worst, but if you've seen that me and you're still interested in moving forward, we're good to go. From here, you're gonna get dressed up me, you're gonna get all kinds of me.
That's interesting.
But I don't want to start with that. And then that's the and then sometimes when I don't have such a great day, you say, well, you couldn't put on something, you couldn't put on some makeup, or you couldn't do your hair. You're not dressed up today.
Yeah. Actually, that's not a bad strategy. I never thought about it like that.
No, man, I work backwards.
But some of us who wear the 10-inch heel, we can't put a bun way in a girl.
No.
And then, we just endure it. We wear the bodycon. We know, say, okay, we're not going to eat too much because, we make ourselves very uncomfortable to impress because it's all about impressing, All right, so it says here, overhaul your body language. Never underestimate how body language matters. It says so much about who we are. So stand up straight, slightly increase the pace of your walk and smile naturally and often. Smile naturally and often. Don't force it though. You don't have to pretend you find dumb or off-color jokes funny. If you're hearing any of those, just go home. Yeah, some women tend to just laugh at anything.
This me I talk about.
Pretend.
Like if you joke them not funny, me gonna tell you say, but me not go. Listen, I'm gonna have to do that for the rest of this relationship.
Yes.
No. But then halfway through the relationship, now you're gonna say your jokes aren't even funny.
Yeah.
When this person in their mind fell in love with you because she likes my jokes, and then only to realize halfway through the relationship, say you never think the joke them funny all along. No, me gonna tell them, me gonna say, listen, I could work on them jokes there.
The first time?
If it's not funny, I'm not going to. Janela, you hear me say? No. Janela, maybe me at 18.
But you want the person to feel nice about themselves.
Janela, that's when me at 18 and then me have 5 years to build something.
Yeah.
At 51, me can't bother. If it's not funny, me just gotta tell you, say, listen, it no.
And that's the thing. Women who are more mature are very direct.
Yeah.
But then, and that's one of the things I love.
I think I've always been this way.
Really?
Yeah, me not if the joke's stiff. Oh, that's so fun. No, if you do that, then I'll get next joke.
Taylor, what's the next point?
I don't mean that. Sorry, I don't mean that. I can't make it about them, not you. Oh, wow. Anxiety is fueled by your own self-perception about how we look, what we'll say, what others will think of us, how we'll be judged. So instead, aim to find out all you can about your date. You don't want to come across like the FBI, but by deflecting the conversation outwards towards them, you'll take the pressure off yourself. Yeah. That's fair. She see that picture, yeah, she not ask him one question about himself. No.
Also, but she's just gonna make him talk and you just listen.
Say, oh my God.
I don't know about that.
And he said, oh my God, she's laughing at my jokes. This works. Until the bill comes. You see them drinks that them a drink? Them not cheap. That's like martini right there and an amaretto sour. That's not cheap, man.
So here it is now, Delia. It says here, play a mini game with yourself. This is a fun exercise to stop you from worrying about your dating performance. It works too. Ask your date 5 questions about themselves. Not rapid fire, that's not fair. Just 5 good questions. Allow them plenty of time to answer each. Then see what happens. Like, really? People do that?
I'm gonna cross out that one there.
People really do that? So you literally prepare? Okay, these are the questions that I'm going to ask him or her. Like,
it sounds like too much going into this date here.
Yeah.
It sounds like too much. Don't have an ideal type. Love comes in all sorts of packages. Often the package we thought was right for us turns out to be not right at all. That is true.
That is very true.
So beyond your deal breakers, keep an open mind about potential partners. That's true. That's true. Sometimes I hear people say, he was never my type, or I never saw him as the person that would be my type, or I didn't think I'd date somebody like her. And you never know. So yeah.
And I like the next point. It says, stay invested in your own life. The worst belief you can carry into a new relationship is that the person will repair your life or save you from yourself or make everything okay, because they won't. No one has those superpowers. Instead, strive to have a good, fun, and independent life so that you can date without needing it to work, and with the belief you are worth getting to know. That's the best gift of all.
Very important.
Confidence.
We put so much
power
and pressure on the people we date. We expect that as the person I'm dating, you're gonna fix my day is a bad day, and when I see you, I'm in a relationship with you, it is your responsibility to make sure that my day ends well.
And then there's the other point where people try to change people.
Yes.
I don't like that.
We're not Stepford wives.
Yeah, we're not. And you know what I love about myself? I enjoy my own company, girl. So whether or not there is a partner or a date or whatever, I'm okay going to the movies by myself. And people find that very weird. I'm okay going to a restaurant by myself. I'm okay going to the park by myself. So that person who comes into my life,
yeah, you have to love yourself.
Compliments, you know,
you have to love yourself. If you don't love yourself, how do you expect somebody to love you?
So
you know?
this is a great takeaway.
So some of the things I'd say run with it. Some I'd say, but like I said on social media, just determine the kind of swimmer that you are in the dating pool.
Indeed.
If you're gonna jump into the deep end and just learn how, or you're gonna walk in the shallow and make your toe them get wet first until you can. That's it.
And times have changed. We don't date like that. We date on WhatsApp and in the Facebook, DMs. So that's how it is. But anyway, after the break, fashion designer David Howell showcases his latest collection. We'll be right back.